So this is all-in-one app, and I'm gonna go ahead and walk you through on how I got this idea and why I chose this. So we're gonna go ahead and right here we have the content. So all of the process that I had to go through to get to the final design. Those are just some research I made in order to understand what I'm looking for and also understand what I should implement in my app. And we have the word list. Those are some of my first sketches that I did, which, by the way, it's not great, but I know that it is. Oops, let's go ahead and here. It is important to get the bad ideas out firsthand, so it's important to sketch that way. Let's go through that. Those are my target audience with the persona here. So I'm going to go ahead and walk you through this sketch right here. So right here we have the profile where basically the user will be able to fill out the information. They can select some weight loss selection, which they have to select the goal, and the same for the fit selection. Scanning product, those you have allergy detected and also no allergy detected and allergy detected right here. And these two are really important for my app to be able to implement, which distinguish it from a lot of other apps. And going forward here, the user can edit their profile, they can save what they edited, and also be able to look at other section right here, which are going to be there, but they are not on the main screen just because we want to make it simple and very useful for them. So going forward, they have the option to put anything that they consume throughout the day right here on that second screen. And then we have the reports, which is really complex looking right now. So all of those I had to simplify. We have the send live data. So let's go ahead and look at some of the design that I went and actually designed it right here in order to get a visual. So all of those basically from what I just showed you. Let's go ahead and go through that. And I basically got some feedback, and the one that I made, the modification was the top section where I should say what the screen is about. And I also changed the live share to be more easier that way. But basically, I changed a lot of things. So after some more user testing and feedback, I decided to change completely the color schemes. I chose blue because blue is a really trusting color for my audience, and I want my app to be able to have this feature, this basically capacity of making my audience feeling comfortable and simple. It's really simple. It's the best, and I think it's distinguished from others because it's simple, it's not as complex, and I did remove a lot of screen from it to make it simple. I also implemented some image in the background to make it interesting and also connecting to what they are looking for. And I also used a lot of icons that iOS uses that my target audience will be able to understand. And right here, like you can see that I only use the red to alert the user because this section needs to be very distinct and contrasted so that they know that they should be careful in what they are buying currently. And right here is the progress section. Like you can see, I don't have a live share anymore. I have this right here where they can share anything on their app, basically the whole app, all of their progress and weekly reports to anyone through here. And this is a really familiar icon as well. And yeah, so I've changed a lot of it, and this is the reason I like it. And I mean, this app for people who struggle with weight loss, and some people want to stay fit, but it's nice to have someone, or basically having to report and to check on things. So I hope you enjoy all in one presentation, and thank you so much for watching.